Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious vegetarian dish. Whole wheat pasta and cauliflower in a delicious well-seasoned sauce. For this recipe you will need whole wheat pasta, fresh cauliflower, crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth, olive oil, chopped yellow onion, chopped garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, pine nuts, and raisins. Begin by soaking the raisins in some vegetable broth. Now slice the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. First, remove the core. Next, in the medium pan, toast the pine nuts. Now, to a pot of boiling water, add salt and whole wheat pasta. When the pasta is al dente, remove from the boiling water. Now we're ready to make the delicious sauce. In a medium pot over high heat, add olive oil. Saute the chopped onion, chopped garlic, and cauliflower florets. Now add the remaining vegetable broth, crushed tomatoes puree, soaked raisins, toasted pine nuts, kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, and al dente rigatoni pasta. Bring to boil. Now reduce to low heat and simmer for 15 minutes. And here you have a delicious vegetarian dish, whole wheat pasta and cauliflower in a delicious, well-seasoned sauce. The sauce is amazing. You can really taste the whole wheat pasta and the cauliflower. Delicious. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe